Good morning, class 8. This is Rupesh sir. Let's continue chapter 8 from science, cell structure and functions. And in the last class, we have completed up to variation in cell shape and size. So our today topic is parts of a cell. Now here is plant cell and your animal cell. Cell consists cell membrane. You can see here cell membrane, cell wall and cytoplasm, nucleus, okay, and remaining are the cell organelles. Clear? Now number 1, cell membrane. Okay, you can see here in the picture cell membrane. Where is cell membrane? Now what is cell membrane? Cell membrane is a thin layer that holds cell together. Okay, now what is the functions of cell membrane? Now it allows the movement of substances into and out of the cell, and it also gives shapes to the cell. Clear? Now another one is cell wall. You can see your outer covering layer, okay, cell wall. Now here is the cell wall. Now cell wall is the outer covering layer. It is present in plant cell, fungi and bacteria, and it is absent in animal cell. You can see here in animal cell, here is absent of cell wall, okay, but in plant cell there is present of cell wall. Now what is the role of cell wall? Cell wall gives protection, shape and provides rigidity, okay, to the plant cell, and these cell wall are made of cellulose, okay. These cell wall are made of what? Cellulose. Clear? Now number 3, cytoplasm. After cell wall, here is cytoplasm. Now most part of the cell consists of the cytoplasm. You can see here yellow color is the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substances inside the cell. The cytoplasm has the nucleus and various other cellular components. Clear? And these components are called cell organelles, and each cell organelles has a specific role to play. The cell organelles include mitochondria, ribosomes, plastids, Golgi bodies and others. Clear? After cytoplasm, in number 4, there is nucleus. Okay, this is the structure of nucleus, one single nucleus. Now nucleus is present inside the cell. Now nucleus is a spherical body present inside the cell, and nucleus act like control center of the cell, and it also contain a thick jelly like substance which is called nucleoplasm. Here is nucleoplasm, okay. Nucleoplasm is a jelly like substances. Now another one is nuclear membrane. Now nucleus is surrounded by a outer covering layer which is called nuclear membrane. You can see here nuclear membrane. It is the outer covering layer of the nucleus. And after nuclear membrane, nucleolus. Now what is nucleolus? Nucleolus is a small spherical structure which is present inside the nucleus. Okay, that is called nucleolus. And after nucleolus, there is chromatin. Now chromatin is a thread-like network. You can see inside the nucleus, here is a thread-like structure, okay. These all are the chromatin. And this chromatin organizes itself into rod-like structure called chromosome. Now here, chromatin organizes itself into rod-like structure that is called chromosome. Okay, this is chromosome. You can see here inside the nucleus there is thread-like structure. Okay, this all thread-like structure are called chromatin. Okay, and this chromatin organizes itself into rod-like structure which is called chromosome, and this is chromosomes. Now in human being have 46 chromosomes in each cells. Okay, and this chromosome contain DNA. Now you can see here is chromosome, and this chromosome contain DNA. Now in human being there is 46 chromosome. Okay, now this chromosome contain DNA which is also called deoxyribonucleic acid, and each DNA has several gene in it. Okay, you can see a gene. Each DNA has several gene. Okay, now what is genes? Now genes are the unit of inheritance as they help in transmitting character from parents to offspring. Okay, again I am repeating. Here is nucleus, and nucleus contain thread-like structure which is called chromatin. Okay, now that chromatin organizes itself into rod-like structure which is called chromosome. Okay, now this chromosome, you can see here chromosome, this chromosome contain DNA. Inside the chromosome there is DNA. Okay, and DNA has several gene in it. Okay, here is, you can see here gene. There is several gene in DNA. Clear? So for today only up to here, and we will continue in next video. And our last topic is cells organelles, and hope you all done the given homework, right? Now you can do the correction, check from the note which I have sent you. Okay, now your homework is number G. Answer the following question in brief. Do this 10 question. Okay, from 1 to 10, do yourself. Okay, thank you.